This is number 31 in our Chapter 4 review, where we're asked to solve for x in this equation. And since we have an equal sign, we don't have to get common denominators, but we can rather multiply through by what that least common denominator would be. I think we all would agree that 3 and 5 both divide evenly into 15, so our LCD is 15. But again, instead of getting common denominators, we're just going to go through and multiply every term by that LCD, 15, including the 2 on the other side of the equal sign. Everything in the equation has to be multiplied by 2. When we do that, we notice that 3 goes into 15 5 times, so that denominator disappears. 5 goes into 15 5 times, so that denominator disappears. And of course, there's no denominator on the other side. So we merely have to distribute this 5 to both the 4x and the 5, and we get 20x plus 20. And then we have to distribute this 5 to both the 2x and the minus 1, and we get 10x minus 5. And then on the other side of the equal sign, we need to multiply the 2 by the 15, and we get 30. So all of our denominators do, in fact, disappear. And I see I made an arithmetic error here. 5 times 5 isn't 20, but rather 25. So now what we need to do is combine our like terms. We see we've got a 20x here and a 10x, and together those add up to 30x. And we have a 25 minus 5, and that adds up to 20. And that's equal to 30. Oh gosh, I can see I made another arithmetic error. 5 goes into 15 in my second fraction, not 5 times. It goes in 3 times. So when I distribute the 3 to the 2x, I'm going to get not 10x, I'm going to get 6x. And when I distribute the 3 to the minus 1, I'm going to get minus 3. Sorry about that. Okay, now we need to combine our like terms. 20x and 6x add up to 26x, and 25 minus 3 is 22. And now it's just a matter of solving for x. So we know that when we solve for a variable within an equation, we need to follow the order of operations. Someone at Domino's made excellent pizza. So we have some addition to undo. So we'll subtract 22 from both sides of our equal sign. And now we'll have 26x is equal to 8. And then we have some division to undo, or multiplication, excuse me, to undo with division. And so we're going to need to divide both sides by 26. And we'll get x is equal to 8 over 26, but that reduces to 4 over 13 because they're both divisible by 2. As always, we can take that answer, 4 over 13, plug it back into the original equation, and make sure that what the left side of the equal sign comes equal to is the same as the right side. So we need the left side to come out equal to 2 because that's what we had on the right side to begin with.